So we're going from this one here to a beautiful baddie, okay? Don't get me wrong, that was a baddie too, okay? But now this is in charge. So this is a 24-inch Imac with an M4 chip, I believe. I'm going to show the specs later, but this one right here comes with a standard glass. Okay, it's the 10-core CPU, 10-core GPU, I believe, and I upgraded it up to a 24 gigabyte unified memory, and upgraded that as well to a 512 gigabyte SSD. I kept a standard glass, like I said, and then kept with my beautiful silver, which keeps it neutral. I can play around with it later. So now that we have that down, this is a beautiful packaging. I give it to Apple. They did an absolutely good job with upgrading their packaging style. This is different from the older models, and I love it. I think this is quite protective, so I like that. Good size. This is a good size in my opinion. It's not too big, it's not too small. Perfect. It comes with a power cable. It comes with another USB-C cord that is used to charge the mouse, which we're pretty much used to. This keyboard is the basic keyboard that comes with it, but this time around with a fingerprint feature in there. So I love that about it. And I think that's pretty much everything in this box, this huge box. Okay, it's pretty much the computer itself, the power cable, and then the USB-C cord, the mouse, and the keyboard. That's it. So now that I'm about to set this all together, do enjoy this video. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share. I'm going to try to be back full time, but for now, enjoy this. I love you guys. I love you, love you, love you. All right, don't forget to share this and ask me any questions you may have in the comment section. I'll be glad to answer that. Any information will be in the description box. Enjoy this, enjoy the music, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Don't forget to subscribe. Love y'all.